Jai Sriman Kishkindha. Then Lakshmana saying that, O Hanuma, Mahatmanam Ramam Dasarathatmajam. Rama is Dasaratha's son, such a great man. Dasaratha, Raja Dasaratho Nama. He is one of the great kings. Dhyutiman Dharmavatsalaha. He is very great dharmika, righteous man. He used to rule his kingdom in a very righteous way. Nadveshta vidyate tasya, nacha nadveshti kanchana. Dasaratha Maharaju used to hate no one, and no one used to hate Dasaratha Maharaju. Such great king he used to be. O Hanuma, this Rama is eldest son of Dasaratha Maharaju. Saranyaha sarva bhutanam. For every entity on this earth, the great refuge is Sri Ramachandra Swami. And Rama always follows the orders of his father Dasaratha. And Rama is a great warrior and great soldier. Oh Hanuma, we 4 are siblings. Out of 4, Rama is the best. Gunavattamaha, he is the best man. So what happened is, Rajyat Bhrashto Vane Vastum. Rama lost his kingdom. He ended up in this forest. Along with me and his wife Sitamma, he came to this forest. O Hanuma, even after Rama lost his kingdom, even after Rama lost all of his wealth, Sitamma did not leave Rama. Into this dreadful forest, into this painful sufferings, Sitamma walked along with Rama. That is Sitamma. O Hanuma, I am his brother. My name is Lakshmana. Though I am his brother, but to his great qualities, I am his servant. I kind of completely got captivated, attracted to great qualities of Rama. You know, the great quality, one example is, even if someone does a small favor to Rama, Rama remembers that small favor and exaggerates and tells everyone about that small favor as a big, huge favor. Such is great quality. That is why aham asyavaro bhrata gunaihi dasyam upagataha. Though I am his brother, but to his qualities, I am his servant because of his great qualities. Oh Hanuma, though my Rama supposed to be enjoy all the wealth, but he lost everything and he ended up into this forest. Oh Hanuma, what happened is, when both of us were not there at some point, one Rakshasa abducted Sitamma. So while searching for Sitamma, we were walking in the forest. At some place, Kabandha, he told us about Sugriva. He also told us that Sugriva definitely would be able to search Sitamma. That is why we have been searching for now Sugriva. O Hanuma, sarvam akyatam yadha tadha. I told you everything that what happened exactly. So now you should consider that myself and my brother Rama, Sugrivam Saranam Gatau, we are surrendering to Sugriva. We are taking refuge at Sugriva. O Hanuma, but I should tell you about Rama also now. This Rama is such a great man who used to do so many charities. Anuttamam yasaha. He is very famous and he is very popular. O Hanuma, Lokanathaha. He is the master of this entire earth. But now Rama is Sugrivam Nadhamichati. Such great man Rama is now seeking Sugriva's help, and such great man this Sri Ramachandra is now willing to appoint Sugriva as his guardian. Like that, Lakshmana is saying to Hanuma while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.